the code name the Wolfman. I'm the Wolfman, the Wolf of Bankroll Flow. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling and Scrolling with the Wolfman and my journey into crypto. Guys, this is month 4 of my crypto journey, and it's been an interesting one to say the least, guys. It's a great time to really get into this game, but I tell you, it's been a lot of a roller coaster over the last 4 months. So I can only imagine for those long-term crypto investors, those first starters that have been in this thing for years. I understand a little bit of your pain at this point, but there's pain and there's also glory here at the same time. Because again, this thing has been a roller coaster, and if you've been paying attention within the last couple of weeks, crypto has been on fire, man. Especially Dogecoin. Again, I know that was more mainstream and Elon sent it to the moon, but it has been going crazy along with a lot of other altcoins, original coins, and even some what we call shit coins. They've been going crazy, man. It's been all in the news. And again, the mainstream media that ran with Dogecoin, so a lot of money was made. But as quickly as we made those profits and crypto was in the spotlight, it has now made some corrections in the market. And there's a number of reasons why, and that's why you always want to pay attention to the news. You always want to make sure you do your research and know what you're getting into before you get into it. But for instance, just over the past week, there's been a new FTC person appointed by the Biden administration. So it's expected that they're going to look into a lot of regulations in the market, getting rid of some of these shit coins or just coins that aren't worth anything that people are making out of thin air, and they really hold no value. So it actually should work in our benefit in the end. But there seems to be a lot of regulations that'll be coming to crypto, so you want to make sure to pay attention to that. But again, there were a lot of gains in the market. Again, XRP, they got hit pretty early on with some lawsuits and regulations, and they actually came out good on the other end, and it drastically boosted the price. But there have been corrections to the market. So everywhere where we were seeing gains, I mean, I was going into my wallet and it almost quadrupled itself. So that's why I said I understand some of these long-term investors, because what I've seen since getting in this game, and it's only been 4 months for me, is I've seen some highs in crypto and I've definitely seen some lows in crypto. But then when you see those highs, it just reminds you of the potential that this market has to make some money for you. But again, with the lows, is actually what that's showing me is this game has given you guys second, third, even fourth chances to get into crypto. And if you even got into crypto late, like I did, it's giving me chances to catch up to those people that have been doing this for years. So right now, while the market is down, again, just like stocks, it's a buyer's market. So you buy as much as you can and you hodl. So that way, when the market goes back up and you go to your wallet, it quadruple, it goes crazy, because then you go in there and say, oh my God, I got so much money. You can cash out, you can do whatever you need to do. And that's why I said a lot of money was made, because trust me, when that market was up, people were selling and they were making their money. But the investors such as myself, I'm going to continue to hodl my tokens and grow my residual incomes over here in Bankroll Flow. So I just want to give you guys just a quick update of what I've been seeing in the market so far. Right now, it has made its corrections, and it's a buyer's market. So get in the game, man. It's time to get in here. And if you want to do so, I'm always here to help you out. But there's tons of information out here. Make sure you do your research and you guys understand what you're getting into, because, there's a lot of things. Again, Doge was all over the mainstream media, but a lot of people had no idea what it was created for or what its usability is. So all they knew was buy Dogecoin. And if you bought some, great. Hopefully you made money. But if you didn't know when to get out, when it made its corrections, you might have lost. So, hey, guys, again, I appreciate the love. Appreciate you, Eco Money family. I know you with me. Keep rolling and scrolling. Keep rolling your bankroll flow. Of course, I'm going to show you my flow and make a roll. We actually have grown quite well. We've always had this goal since the market corrected itself the first time since I've been in, to make sure we're at $10. And right now, I think we fell back under $10 a day as far as the daily profit. But my deposits are up. So I'm almost at 7K deposits. We're looking to get to 10K deposits. and looking to keep growing in this game. Also going to look to get some more banker tokens, and I'll show you all of this information. I know it might be going over your head if it's your first time joining the channel, but I will go ahead and put my screen up and let you see my bankroll flow and see how I make my residual income and daily money in bankroll flow. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. So here is my bankroll flow. Again, you can reach this at bankroll.network. There's a whole suite of dApps there that support Tron and support making this residual income within crypto. But again, I'm here. This is my bankroll flow, which is on bankroll.network. Guys, we always take a quick look down at the stats of the game. So about 13,000 people still here, 81 million worth of banker Rexes in the game. That's equivalent to $9 million. So we know money is here. Now, I always keep saying I'm going to, or at least I said what I was going to do when I reached 5K deposits, is start to withdraw some money from here. And I have made maybe 1 or 2 withdrawals, which are in earlier videos you can check out. But I can't help but want to keep compounding my interest and growing this amount. I mean, even at the cost, again, usually we look to be above $10. We're actually below at this point. Right here, $7.13 is what I'm making daily. And I'm really not too fazed by it. I've been with the ups and downs. So I understand right now this could say $7.13. Next week, this might say I'm making $15 a day. You know, it just all depends on the market and the price of Banker X. But I'm not too concerned about it. I'm actually concerned about rolling this interest to 10K deposits. And I'm currently at 6.4. So I have enough over here. 380 is enough, you know, to get me about 6.7, almost 6.8 deposits. And I still have my rewards going on. I'm definitely going to focus on getting more of my rewards. I have a lot hanging out there, and that's all thanks to my Eco Money team. So I appreciate you, Eco Money family. Make sure you are rolling as well. But if you have somebody that wants to join under you yourself so you can also earn rewards, please send me a message. It's a pretty easy process. If you remember how to do it when I talked you through it, you could do the same thing. Just give them your wallet address instead of my wallet address. But of course, if you need help, reach out to me. But again, I'm going to keep compounding my interest. I really don't want to withdraw and don't have any reasons to withdraw the money that's here right now. Again, because of the current price, after a week of holding this money, there's $42 sitting there. So 380 Banker X is now worth $42. Now, if we'd have seen this 2 weeks ago, that same amount would have probably been about $80. So it's dropped by at least 50% at this point. But again, it could be typical of the market when it's making these corrections. So it's nothing to be fearful of. Now, when I first got into crypto and that happened, I was like, oh my God, what happened? I'm losing money. I'm not making money. I'm getting less money, what have you. But after understanding and seeing the nature of how this beast is and how it has its ebbs and flows, and it, you know, it goes, it's waving just like the stock market, it's really not that concerning to me, because I know, again, as I always stated, regardless of what it says, I am making money every single day. So I'm going to compound it so I can make more of that money. But all you need to do is pay attention, because when the market is up, then I know that's when I want to take my profits. Right now, I don't have any incentive to really take profits because there's not much there. So common sense for me is, let's go ahead and keep playing the game and roll this over and make it even bigger. So when it is time to take profit, it's that much greater of a reward. So yeah, let's go ahead and make our roll. Again, if you're new to the channel, this is bankroll.network. Right here is my available balance, which is the money that I make daily. So this is my residual income right here. It is 380 Banker X, which is equivalent to $42. Currently, my total deposits into this game is 6.4 thousand Banker X. So 6,416 Banker X is what I have deposited, and that's equivalent right now to $713 in Banker X. Now, out of my own pocket, I've maybe put at least maybe $400, $400 to $500 into Bankroll Flow. Everything else comes from me rolling this amount, because rolling this available balance that I make daily. I just saved this up for a couple of days. But what I could do or would do daily is click this roll button. It would make this available balance go into my deposits, so my deposits grow, and that way the amount that I make available or that I make daily is going to reflect the total deposit amount, because you get 1% of your deposits daily as an available balance that you can withdraw or roll over. Now, again, I'm going to roll mine over. It shows you how much has been claimed previously, but I'm going to go ahead and roll this over so that we can make that amount grow. So all you do is click that button. It confirms that I want to do so from the contract and my wallet. And once I roll it, again, that available balance has now been added to my deposits, and my deposits are now $7. So now it's saying I have 6.7 K deposits roughly, so almost 6.8, and I'm making $7.56 a day at the current price of BankerX. So earlier that was like $7.14. So I'm making 40 more cents a day. This is always going to depend on the price of BankerX and Tron. But right now, you see that amount starts to grow, and I'm making that amount daily. So what I did when I first got in here, again, every day, I would click this to roll. Now, I wanted this to be more aesthetically pleasing when I make the videos. So I usually save this up for about 5 or 6 days. I don't roll it over. I don't even think about it. I just come in here when it's time to make the videos, and I go ahead and roll it over. When I first got in, it was so exciting to me, and it's still exciting, but it was super exciting to me. And what I did was I kept looking at this thing every 5 minutes on my phone, every 10 minutes on my phone. You know what I mean? Every time it was something going on, I got bored. It was like checking social media, because it's right on. You can have it right on your phone. This is on my computer right now, but it's just like social media. All you need is the Clever app on your phone or some other wallet app that allows a browser and it can connect to your wallet, and you just go right to bankroll.network/flow, and you can go in here and see this. And it's every time I had to keep looking. Yep, I made 10 cents. Okay, look, 5-10 minutes later, 5 more cents. Cool. And it was just amazing to me, right? Because you could see this money growing. You can see it right now. I'm at 0.009. So in literally 2 seconds, I'll have a penny there. It's gonna say, all right, now I made a penny. Now I made this. So you can sit there and watch paint dry if you want to. See, there it is. It just changed. Now I have 1 cent. I made 1 cent. But this is how you can make money in your sleep, family. So that's what a lot of people want to figure out how to do. You know, we work hard every day. I work a 9 to 5 as well, just like everybody else. I know some other people are entrepreneurs. They work for themselves. We come from all different backgrounds. But a lot of people want to know, how can I make money in my sleep? You know how to make money when you're awake. You know how to work your business. You know how to go to work and punch the clock. But how do I make money when I'm sleeping, which is pretty much, the definition of residual income, or one of the definitions could be for residual income. How do I make money when I'm not doing anything? How do I make it work for me? And again, this is what I figured, as far as another way to invest in myself and create those multiple streams of income, I wanted to add cryptocurrency to my portfolio. So this was a viable way to do so through Bankroll Flow and Tron, but there's several other ways you can buy and HODL cryptocurrency, and you can also farm and stake. You can also do so with the Ethereum and the BNB network, which I'm loving BNB right now. I have a considerable amount of money staked in BNB. And it's grown significantly from the first time I got into it, when BNB was around $350. Now it's around $500. It just all depends. But again, I did my research, guys, and I just paid attention to my mentors. I paid attention to YouTube, and I just stayed ready to listen and learn and take action. Again, listen, learn, and ultimately take action. Don't just sit on it, guys. Make sure you take action and you get mad and make a decision to do something for yourself. I just got that from my brother, my brother / mentor, Alex Inman. He's a wonderful business associate. But Alex, he's been my brother since school, so not just an associate, an actual brother and business partner of mine. But he said you need to get mad. And what you mean by that is you need to make a decision to do something. You know what I mean? Don't just sit there and talk about it or make plans about it. Actually make a decision and do it. You got to stick with that decision, and it needs to be strong in your heart when you want to invest in yourself. So again, this is what I do in cryptocurrency. This is just one place I make money. If you look at my past videos, you can see we're also making money in golden eggs. We're making money in BNB. You can get pancakes. Those make you money. They make percentage back on your deposits. There's so many different ways you can actually get in here and get that money. So right now, again, the market's down. It's a good time to join. If you want to join, you can always take a look at the description of this video. I have links on ways to get into this game, on ways to get into crypto, get the Clever Wallet. You can look at my brother and mentor, Mason OG. He is a OG in this crypto market, and he's been in it for years. So he has way more experience than me, and he can tell you all about the market and its ebbs and flows and how you can get into the market and how you can actually leverage your money and your tokens and make them work for you. That's the most important thing, because in the end, in the long game, we want to hodl these tokens, and you don't really want to lose or burn your tokens, because the more the value comes in, you know, once the mainstream media continues to push this thing, and we got Elon and we got Jeff Bezos, Amazon, they're talking about Dogecoin. Once we getting all these companies coming in, they're adopting this crypto, and you can pay with crypto, this market is going to explode. And if you get into it early enough and you hodl those tokens, you can just literally make millions of dollars in your sleep. As soon as those tokens, you'll go in your wallet and you'll say, oh my God, how did I get this much money? And then you're going to start trying to figure out, how the heck do I take care of this money? How do I get it out of crypto? And how do I make sure that I am being responsible with my money, and I'm making sure I hold some out for my taxes as well, because best believe there are going to be taxes. Uncle Sam wants to get paid too. That's how you know his money being made. So at the end of the day, guys, thank you so much for all the love. Thank you for continuing to watch my journey into crypto. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you see where I'm at with everything. Trust and believe we'll be here, and we're going to continue grinding. But I appreciate the love. So like, share, subscribe. And again, Wolfman out.